Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to perform a premium blacklist check of your Realme 14 Pro device using your IMEI number. So all you have to do to get your IMEI number is to just dial this number in a blue bold text right here. And this is the quickest way to access your IMEI number. And then you have to just enter the imei.info website and dial and enter this IMEI number right here. Press check IMEI. You'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here in the advanced checks, for a couple of bucks you'll be able to perform the premium blacklist check. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.